Hey guys, as you can see, we are still gonna be doing some petty today. And the dog will get stuck in it. Hi guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's free. Make sure you subscribe and punch that like button. And you can see we got some putty in here. It's orange. As you can see, we got some pink putty in here. It's pink. Just like this. As you can see, we got some really watery goop. If y'all want to see it, here y'all go. If y'all want to see it, here y'all go. Here y'all go. Y'all can see it. Look at the glorious. Here y'all go. That's all the putties are like, except for two. I meant except for 5 of them. We're gonna play a prank on these dolls. And y'all can see this is laid out in front of me. And here's another green one. It's the same thing. Here's the black one. Same thing, just black. I'm putting the front, if y'all can see it. I'll move things backward. Backwards. 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 You can see these two is going to mix if they too close together. I'm not going to make an ugly one. And here's an orange one. It's not slimy because you cannot see it ooze. It's like that. And here's an orange one. It's the same thing. See? We just gotta do two, and then we're gonna slime this to end, slime them. And then we're gonna be done. We gotta do a question of the day. My question of the day is gonna be easy. Because everybody should have a favorite. And everybody should like their favorite. Here's two of them. They're gonna get slime. They're gonna get in the slime first. If y'all know the names, y'all can tell me. Here's Fancy. I just showed it. Okay, first they're gonna get slimed with the baby. She's gonna get slimed in the green. If y'all can see that, she's slimed in the green. I'm thinking. Okay, as you can see, I got another LOL one, and as you can see, this is the big one. This is the baby. As you can see, they're getting the black because her hair is black, and it will make it look her very beautiful. And if it don't make chick after beautiful, and I just said her name, so you got her yet. Of course, this girl comes to it. There's no other one. And here's the baby rocker, and here's the other baby. She got braids. Here's the big girl. She got braids. I meant to say the big girl got braids. The little girl, she got straight curly hair with wrinkles in it. They're getting the green, the other green. I meant to tell you, they got two greens. Now, the big girls are going to get out, but the babies can't because they don't know how to walk yet. So they will reach in to get them. And then they're going to bring them on land, and then they're going to stay on land to watch them. While all of them get out, they all got out. As you can, the black one got out. Okay, and then, as you can see, I'm getting these two are getting in this sticky stuff. It turns blue. It's gray and it turns blue. That's true. Really true. And then she's going in with this baby. She got pink, the baby got pink hair and a goldenish brown diaper with a white bead in her mouth. And we're gonna put them in the soft farting clay, whatever they call it, pooping. And then we're gonna do these two. She got black hair with black ponytails, and she don't got a bib. She's sticking her tongue out. I don't know why they made her with her tongue out. And she got a yellow diaper. We're gonna put them in this orange one, this orange farting clay. As we did the last time, the big girl's gonna get out. So see, this girl already got out. She took her baby out. This girl came out with her baby. Now the sticky one is holding them. The sticky one is holding the dolls. When I was pulling the baby up, it pulls the dolls and the stickiness. So now we're gonna see them get slimed. The first one to get slimed is this one and her baby. And they gonna get slimed in Yucky Green, and y'all can see that. Move back, move back, move back. As you can see now, they're right there. Ooh, they're getting oozed all over. And that's the end of them getting oozed. Not just one getting oozed, 3. Okay, and then these 2 are gonna get. They're still gonna get oozed. They're right here. They get oozed with the black. Ooh, ugly black. It's not ugly. It's pretty. It's just the texture. Look. And then last one's these 2. Take the ugly black with you. And they're gonna get slimed with the green. It's like Nickelodeon slime putty. Whatever you want to call it, slime putty. I call it slime putty. It's slime and putty mixed together. So bye guys. The question of the day is going to be, what's your favorite animal, and what's the name you would name it? What would you name it? And what's your favorite pet, and what would you name it? I'll have a bunny and I'll name it Diamond. Bye guys. Make sure you push the like button and subscribe to my channel. 9, 3, bye.